channel. So today's video is I'm gonna show you my fidget toys, my new fidget toys. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys can be notified and be the first to watch newly posted videos like this. So let's start. So first I have this spinner. Yes, it's a blue spinner puppet. It's just a day or Monday. I don't know the day. Yes, and like puppet. This is a good side one, and this is the bad side. Guys, you will not hear any sound because it's a bad side. I told you it's a really bad side. And the next one is, you will hear this. That. You see it, guys? You see it. You just see it. You're correct. It's just a puppet. Yesterday yes, because we go outside and I buy them. It's just a present. Boots. Boom. Nothing changed. And let's do the TikTok like I bet I can talk all of these so that you can follow, like, share. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, can I have so much time for this box, please? These cards. Pop this again. And this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below which one do you like any video. And turn on the notification bell so that you guys can be notified and be the first to watch newly posted videos like this. Bye guys, love you so